Sandia Seed Company's Pepper Seeds Germination Guide. Most pepper seeds germinate within 7 to 21 days, so be patient. It's important to note that most vegetable seeds sprout much more quickly, so give peppers extra time. It is best to keep them warm and moist at 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit to make sure the seeds germinate successfully. Do not keep them in a cold room or a greenhouse that gets cold at night. They need consistent 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures to ensure best germination. Pepper seed germination time varies greatly for peppers. For example, super hot peppers like Carolina Reaper and Trinidad Scorpions are often very slow to sprout. So keep them moist and warm, and be prepared to wait up to 12 to 30 days or more for them to sprout. For quicker germination, you can also grow our faster-growing peppers. Many peppers germinate more quickly than the super hots. These include sweet chimayo chili seeds, early jalapeno seeds, yellow jalapeno seeds, and many more. Check out our fastest-growing peppers for varieties that sprout and grow quickly. These are great for short growing seasons. These peppers tend to germinate much more quickly, but it's still important to keep them warm. Happy seed starting! For more growing tips, visit sandiaseed.com.